leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. To those joining us, welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop. To those joining us, welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop. That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today, but it wasn't always that way. Quiet now as we travel back in time, back to the fantastic primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. I'd like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We surely hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back and see us again real soon. For those of you traveling on, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.